Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of installing Microsoft SQL Server and SQL Server Management Studio, or SSMS, on a Windows system. This is perfect for beginners who want to start working with SQL, so let's get right into it. Step 1. Installing Microsoft SQL Server. Start by opening Google Chrome or any browser you like. In the search bar, type SQL Server Download and hit Enter. At the top of the results, you'll see a link to the official Microsoft website. Go ahead and click on that link to visit the site. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you find the option for SQL Server Express Edition. This one's completely free and ideal for practice or development use. Click on the Download Now button. When the installer finishes downloading, open it. Choose the basic installation type. This is quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. Next, accept the license terms. Set your file location or leave it as default, and then click Install. The installation process will take a few minutes to complete. Step 2. Installing SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. After SQL Server is installed, look at the bottom of the installer window. You'll see a button that says Install SSMS. Click it. This will open the SSMS download page in your browser. On that page, scroll down and find the latest version of SQL Server Management Studio. Click on the download link, and once the setup file is downloaded, open it. Choose the installation location, accept the terms, and then click Install. Again, give it a few minutes to finish. Once it's done, click Close to exit the installer. Now everything's set up. It's time to launch SSMS and connect to your server. Go to the Windows search bar, type SSMS, and open SQL Server Management Studio. The Connect to Server window will appear. Keep the server type as Database Engine. For server name, enter localhost or localhost hours Express, depending on your setup. Before you hit Connect, click on Options. Under Connection Properties, change Encrypt Connection to Mandatory. Then, check the box that says Trust Server Certificate. Now click Connect. You're officially connected to your local SQL server. Next step, let's try some basic SQL queries in SSMS. We'll go through 4 simple steps: creating a database, creating a table, inserting data, and retrieving it. Now, create a database. This command creates a new database named SyntaxGrid. It's like making a folder where we'll keep all our tables and data. Now create a table. Inside the database, we create a table called Employees. It has 4 columns: Employed ID, a unique ID for each employee, set as the primary key. Name stores the employee's name. Department, the department they work in. Salary, their salary with 2 decimal places. Now let's insert data into the table. Here we're adding 2 rows of data into the Employees table. Each row represents 1 employee with their ID, name, department, and salary. Let's show the table data. This command fetches all the records from the Employees table. As you can see in the results below, we now have a clean table with Uday and Ganesh listed along with their departments and salaries. And that's it. You've just installed SQL Server, set up SSMS, and written your first queries. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials on databases, data science, and data analytics right here on my channel, SyntaxGrid. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.